What's up, Jam Fidget here today doing another video. Today I'm going to show you this. So basically it's just like an annoying thing. Very annoying. What it does is you basically press a button and it makes an annoying sound. And it's very loud as well. So if you want to annoy someone, like maybe in your family or someone who's just really annoying, you're going to want to use this. So I'm going to show you different ones. What you just heard the sleigh one, which was that one. Now this is apparently Father Christmas. It's meant to be like a Christmas one, but I got this last Christmas actually, and it's nearly Christmas, I guess. And you got it's not even December yet. I don't know why I'm doing this. But anyway, this is a little elf. This one's quite weird.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, so that was the elf one. This is the unwrapping a present, which has an annoying bit at the end. Oh wow! Which is weird. And this one's actually quite nice because it's the tune of like the Christmas song that you might hear a lot. This is just meant to be a star one. It actually lasts longer than you think, because you think it's going to stop at the first bit, then it doesn't. I think that's it. You're not going to do any more? Okay, this is the firework one. Did I go a bit too far down? Oh, must have. Okay, this is a bell one. It's kind of more of a song. And this one's actually really annoying. Okay, this is meant to be someone walking in snow, and everything is so loud on this. Just listen. So basically that's all the noises. I'm just going to play them as quick as I can. Oh.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Oh wow! Next one. Next one is oh, not yet. Now, the fireworks! Whee! I actually caught that for once. Not good at catching them really. What's after fireworks? Last but not least, okay guys, that's it for today's video, so I'll see you all next time. Jam out.